Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Warrington local and long distance movers near me. Long distance movers exist to take the stress of long distance moving and relocation off your shoulder. With 3 Movers efficiency, a seamless relocation process is guaranteed from packing to crating to transportation and even auto transportation. Suppose you are a business person that is cognizant of the latest business trend and moves from city to city to stay in line with the curve. In that case, 3 Movers can ensure that your office items are not damaged during the process and are efficiently moved. You will be issued a price cost after the coordinator assigned to you has taken a reconnaissance of the rudiments of your move, which includes the distance and the number of items to be moved. They will thereafter facilitate your move regardless of the destination, whether you are coming into Warrington from other counties, states, or countries. It can be a little bit difficult to justify the cost of hiring a Florida moving company at first. If you're considering a local move, you should look at the benefits you'll gain for the cost. Since professional movers can save you time, you'll find it easier to deal with other moving tasks. You will also avoid injury as the movers will take care of the heavy lifting. With the right professional movers like 3 Movers, the entire moving process becomes more efficient. You'll be able to get settled in much faster. A move that might take you 1 or 2 days will only take us a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Warrington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.